Live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, we're not looking at a great forecast. However, it does look like things improve a little bit as we head into tomorrow. For today, plan on some rain showers. Some of them could be heavy at times. In fact, as we take a look at live Pinpoint Doppler 12, you'll see the green starting to fill in. Now, notice in areas, especially from Providence and points north and east from Woonsocket into Attleboro, it's a little more scattered. And a lot of this is not actually hitting the ground as rain just yet. The atmosphere is just a little bit too dry, but eventually the rain does win out. You can see the shades of green are a bit darker as we go down into southwestern Rhode Island. In fact, we can take a closer look at this. Around the Hope Valley area, down towards Westerly, you may be seeing some of these raindrops now hitting the ground, and if it's not right now, it will shortly as the moisture continues to work in from the southwest. And again, going up a little bit further to the northeast, you can see from Taunton and the good portions of northern Bristol County, Massachusetts, a lot of the green not filled in, indicating we don't have the rain just yet, but it does get here over the next couple hours. In fact, as we take a look at our Futurecast, going from 8 in the morning to 11 o'clock in the morning, this is a time where the showers are likely, some widespread rain in the forecast. Not a great time if you have outdoor plans. Watch what happens as we go into the noon hour, and a lot of our computers are continuing to support this trend where the most likely and most frequent showers are to the south and east of I-95 from New Bedford and even into places like Little Compton, while north and west of I-95 in Providence, the showers are not as frequent. Now, I would plan on rain everywhere. I just wanted to point out it doesn't look like an all-afternoon washout, especially here for northwestern Rhode Island. Same trend later on this evening where a lot of the showers, at least the steadiest, is confined here to southeastern Massachusetts, where in Providence and points north and west, we're left with some off and on showers. Don't get me wrong, it's not a great time to be outside, but at least we're not seeing downpours and rain for the entire evening. Now, here's the good news on Sunday. Computers and my own forecast continues to support the idea that this front and this trail of moisture remains primarily offshore. So at 2 o'clock, showers are pretty infrequent, even though the chance is there on Sunday. However, we need to watch this carefully. Anytime we're dealing with tropical moisture, we can easily get things shifting back and forth, and should it shift further back to the west, then Sunday becomes a more rainy forecast. But I'm going to leave it just with some spotty showers for now, and we'll continue to track things as we go throughout the afternoon. 68 your temperature right now in Providence. Winds are out of the northeast at 3 miles an hour, and expect those winds to be from that cool direction for a good part of the day. 70 right now from South Kingstown is your temperature, and you can see other temperatures in the 60s. As we look at our satellite picture, plenty of moisture to work with, and when we have this trail extending far down to the south like this, it's a sign that we do have some tropical moisture on the way, and tropical moisture can wreak havoc on our forecast. That's why we really need to track any changes carefully throughout the day and tomorrow, especially for that Sunday forecast, should the path of that moisture change and end up making it a more rainy Sunday. Temperatures will not change very much today, in the 70s. Here's the latest on Tropical Storm Bertha, expected to continue to move to the northwest and then bend back to the northeast. So at this point, not a threat to the mainland of the United States. One more point on Sunday. I'm still forecasting just occasional showers, but we're going to watch areas south and east of I-95 very carefully for the potential of steadier rain should that track of the moisture shift. Monday looks okay with highs in the low 80s, and then looking at some showers possible late Tuesday into Wednesday. So keep it right here throughout the weekend, Brian. A tricky forecast, and at least we're not going to see rain for the entire weekend.
That's right. We'll get through today. Tomorrow, we'll see what brings tomorrow morning.
Exactly.
All right, Pete, appreciate it. Thanks so much. We're covering New England for you this morning. A Massachusetts man is accused of threatening to kill the president.